At Coolco Software in Chicago, Susan's job is to find qualified prospects and secure a meeting with them for the sales team. Her CEO, like every CEO, wants more sales. Nancy can sell ice to Eskimos. She just needs an opportunity. Susan knows Mr. Big of Bigco is an ideal prospect. She has a $500 budget to get him, but she just can't find a way in. Meanwhile, all the way across the country sits John. He and Mr. Big have been close friends since college. Enter IntroHub. Susan finds John on IntroHub and agrees to pay him $500 if he can get Nancy a meeting with Mr. Big. John reviews Susan's request on IntroHub and agrees to make the introduction. John sends an email off to Marty, that's Mr. Big to you, and asks him if he's willing to meet with Nancy from Coolco. Mr. Big, knowing John extremely well, says, "Sure, sounds interesting." Nancy flies down to meet with Mr. Big and kicks off a deal worth $150,000. Nancy is happy. The CEO is happy. Susan gets her bonus. She's definitely happy. And John just made $500. He's happy. So he starts thinking, who else in his network might be worth $500, and who else may want to meet Marty? Hey, this could be huge. Meanwhile, back at Bigco, Mr. Big calls in his marketing manager and tells him all about a new site that can help them get meetings with qualified targets. It's called IntroHub. Let's start using it. IntroHub, the marketplace for qualified meetings. Join IntroHub today.